भन्नुभयो मैले के पनि बुझेको छैन
So what you're going to do is you're going to add a tag to this sentence. And why are you doing that? You're going to make sure what the sentence is saying is correct or not. That's what you're going to do. तपाईले sure गर्नलाई चाहिँ फेरि एउटा लास्टमा एउटा question tag थप्दिनुहुन्छ, right? So that is what we're going to do. Either if someone says something, you're going to doubt it and ask like, he is good. So you're going to make sure by adding, isn't he? So if your sentence says he is good, you're going to make sure by asking at last, isn't he?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Marisha.
Sir, त्यो लास्टमा तपाईले भने जस्तो त्यो मस्ट वी हाल्ने अनि फर्स्टमा चाहिँ त्यहाँनिर कुनैमा मस्ट छ कुनैमा निडन छ नि त क्वेशन त
पर्खिनुस् न मेरिसा मैले सकाकै छैन निडमै पुगेको छैन म भर्खर इजमा छु wait for a while if I finish then you guys can ask I haven't even reached there. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do. Whatever the sentence says, we are going to recheck it by adding the tag. हामीले त्यो tag किन हालेको त we are just going to recheck what the sentence is saying is true or not, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to say he must do it again. Sorry, I'm not going to he must. I'm just saying normal sentences like he is good, isn't he? So if there is good, I'm going to write isn't he. So I'm going to doubt that fact. And I'm just going to make sure sure गरे जस्तै he is good, isn't he? She is going home, isn't she? Now if I change this he is good into he is not good, how do I make sure? He is not good will be he is not good, is he? So if the sentence is positive, my question tag is going to be negative. If my sentence is negative, my question tag is going to be positive. Notice this, he is good, isn't he? He is not good, is he? Do you notice this difference? If my sentence is positive, my question tag is going to be negative. I'm going to ask a negative question tag to make it sure. If my sentence is negative, I'm going to ask a positive question tag at last to make sure what I'm saying is correct. Is there any problem here, what I just said? No, right? So this is what I'm going to do. If there is, we are going to use is. If there is are, we are going to use are. If there is have, we are going to use have. I have done my work, haven't I? Right? So if there is auxiliary verbs like this, we take help of those auxiliary verbs. If there is can, I can go home, can't I? I cannot go home, can I? If there is negative, positive, and we are going to use these auxiliary verbs. If there is no auxiliary, like I did work. So now the question will be without auxiliary, we take help of do, does, did, right? So that's what we're going to do in question tag. I did the work. Now what will I ask? Didn't I? So I'm going to ask a negative question, right? Didn't I? Because I did the work. I did the work, didn't I? If I'm going to say I didn't do the work, then I'll have to say did I? Because there is negative, my question tag will be positive, did I? So if there is no auxiliary, you're going to take help of do, does, did. And if there is auxiliary, you're going to use that auxiliary like can, is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. So you don't need me to tell you all this auxiliary, will, shall. So we're going to take help of these things. Now in this exercise that we're going to do next, there is only must and need. Must and need matra cha. So all you need to do is, if the question says must, you're going to ask negative here, right? He must do it भनेपछि तपाईको question tag negative हुने भयो. He mustn't he भनेर सोध्नु पर्यो, right? That is st, mustn't he? Because
sir mustn't भन्ने नि word हुन्छ.
हुन्छ. Here it is. Must not is mustn't. Is that okay? Mustn't he? Because now this is what you're going to notice. यहाँ positive छ, must मात्र छ भने तपाईको question tag negative हुने भयो. Look at this, negative भयो question tag. But if there is mustn't, like यहाँ हेर्नुस् त F नम्बरमा हेर्नुस् त mustn't छ. भित्र negative छ भने बाहिर positive हुने भयो. Must we हुने भयो. Is that clear? Do you guys understand what I'm saying here? So this is how we are going to recheck and add a question tag to our sentence. This makes your language using question tag is very encouraged in English. You're just making sure, and your language also seems much better when you use question tags in your sentence. But don't use in every sentence. But when
Sir, my stomach is paining.
Okay. So what do you want to do?
Can I rest?
Okay, yes.
Only.
Yes, you can rest. You can rest. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Same goes with need also. Eh? Need and sub. Need we. If there is
Don't rest. Go to restroom.
okay. So if there is needn't, you're going to say need me. So here sub needn't is you're just going to say need we, need see, or need, so needn't matra raisa. So you're just going to use need. And when there is must, you need to take care of mustn't and must. The must छ भने mustn't question tag हुनु पर्यो, mustn't छ भने must. So now you can start your 5 number. If there is any question with anyone, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can start. Okay, I'm not getting any questions, so that means you guys are starting your work.
Sir, but we were going.
We are supposed to add question tag here, Ellen.
Let me correct an answer.
Ellen, we are supposed to add question tag हेर्नुस् त example मा. We must go to school. तपाईं कहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो मैले एक्सप्लेन गर्दाखेरि?
नेटवर्क केरामा कनेक्टिङ मा थिए.
Okay, Ellen, you missed something important. I will post the video. Watch that video.
त्यसैले त म यता आको ल्यापटपबाट आको त्यो.
Okay, okay, Ellen. सफलता, yes.
अरे भिडियोमा के पनि बुझिँदैन रहेछ मैले हेरेको.
Can I? Yes.
He must do it again, mustn't he?
Correct, Safalta. Thank you. B number, Akash. Akash, can you try even if you haven't done?
Okay.
B number.
And they mustn't wear the coats. Must they?
सर म भन्नु.
Wait, Aditya, Akash, you don't change this into negative. Yeah, just as a test time question tag thopni. They must wear
सर म
coats.
भन्नु.
Mustn't they? They must wear coats. Mustn't they?
ल सर, I will
Okay.
try C number ल.
Okay, try C number.
अलि यसको ठुलो गर्दिन न.
You have book, right?
यत्रो ठुलो छ. अनि म ल्यापटपबाट वेट
I cannot make it big, Ellen.
We needn't. ये स्क्रिनशॉट लियो अनि फोटोजमा जाऊ, फोटोज I got it. फायरमा जाऊ अनि हेर. We need to go home. Need we? We needn't go to home yet. Need we?
Correct, Ellen. Thank you. D number, Aditya.
Ayo. He must pay for the rent. Pay the rent. The rent has very. He must pay the rent, mustn't he?
Okay. E number, Kavya. Kavya, E number. Kavya.
Must I change my shirt? Need I?
Huh? Which number? E number, E, fireman.
Firemen just must be brave, mustn't they?
Yes, correct, Kavya. Thank you. F number, Naitik. Naitik, F number.
Sir, F number, huh?
Yes.
We mustn't throw the waste paper on the ground, must we?
Okay, thank you. G number, Kanchan.
She needn't to do it again. Need she?
Yes, correct. There is no two though. Okay, Jasmine, H number.
I will try. I needn't sweep the floor. Need I?
Correct, Jasmine. Correct. Thank you, Jasmine. Okay, I number. Who I have next? Safalta. Sajbi. I number.
Me.
Oh, Aditya. Okay, Aditya or Sajbi.
I know. She mustn't be afraid. Must she?
Okay, that is correct. Sus be J number.
I needn't change my shoes. Need we? Need I?
Okay, thank you. Now KLM, I will answer, right? Time is running out. He must give you,
सर वेट वेट
mustn't he?
सर तपाईँले भनेपछि पुरै भन्नु न कसो झ्याप झ्याप अड्केर भन्नुहुन्छ
We must keep our school clean. Mustn't we? We needn't do any work, need we? So that's it. Tomorrow we'll do 6 number and go to next chapter. Only few students will.
Sir, मैं 6 number गर्दियो.
कपी 1 क्वेशन हो के कपी नै गरेछ नि एउटै पनि क्वेशन
I have sent this in group. You can take the pictures from group. Okay. I think the time is running out. Bye everyone. See you in math class.
Sir, 1 minute I have a question. Sir, यो math को divide मात्रै reduce गर्न मिल्छ?
मिल्छ